Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fauzan Azim. You can call me Fauzan. I am a student of Winsuska Riau, class F, semester 3. Okay, I will discuss about the Remini application. This Remini application is related with technology that can turn old school photos into super clear like HD quality. If you find old school photos, this application will change the result of the photos to be clearer, as if the photos was just taken. Okay, just go to the tutorial. On this occasion, I want to share tips how to change a photo that has long quality or blur to HD or becomes more detailed than before. Okay, the application we need here is an application called Remini. We can search for it on the Google Play Store. We just type Remini. Remini, then an application will appear that has a logo like this. We install an application will appear that has a logo like this. We install it. Then after we install it, then we open the application. Relight and have installed it. Then from here we have to register to become our member. Then we can register using Facebook or a Google account. Okay, here I tried it using a Google account, and is the display after we successfully log in or register, and need to know if we register we are registered as members, the free one or not paid on, so we only have 5 opportunities to use this application, and I happen to have used it 3 times, so there are only 2 opportunities. I'm okay. Let's just go to the tutorial. First of all, we click on this and hide the free photo, then select the photo that we want high quality. Here I choose the photo when I was a kid. After that, there is a wheel checklist menu, and then click the checklist. That we want that we wait for the process to clear the photo for a minute. After the process incomplete, the professor's blurry photo will appear, and the photo after it is high or HD quality. And we just have to download the high quality photo and it's done. Okay, so many tips for using this Remini application. Apologize for all the mistakes and shortcomings. I will end. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.